Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make your iPhone's home screen icons and widgets clear and enjoy a fresh new look on your iOS 26 powered devices. In order to get the transparent or clear look for the icons, unlock your iPhone and long press on an empty area on the home screen. When your iPhone's icons start to wiggle, tap on the edit button from the top and select the customized option from the pop-up menu. This will open the Customize menu. From here, tap on the Clear option. Doing so will immediately make your iPhone's home screen icon and widgets clear. After selecting this, you get 3 more options that includes Light, Dark and Auto. The dark mode will make the icons appear dark, while the auto option will turn them dark when the dark mode is enabled on your iPhone. If you want the icons to appear clear all the time, then you should select the light option. After you're done, simply tap anywhere on the home screen to dismiss the customize menu. That's it. This is how you can switch to the clear look for the home screen icons and widgets. With the clear theme, you can add consistency to your iPhone's UI and match the icons with the rest of the translucent interface. I have to say, Apple has done a great job at making the icons clear, especially the third-party ones. What do you think about this look? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.